Let's talk about Vechain and do some price analysis. Hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about Vechain. I did a video about 6 weeks ago now and showed some potential areas to target, and we'll have a look at those in a second. First up, please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troop. So we will first start off with doing some key statistics of Vechain, and then we'll jump over to the charts and do a bit of price analysis. So Vechain, which is ticker VET, is currently ranked 27 out of all cryptocurrencies, and we have a coin price today of 0.15374, so that's 1.5 cent. We're slightly up on today's trading. We have a maximum supply of 86.7 billion VET, and out of those in circulation we currently have 64.3 billion. Currently getting a 24-hour volume of $176.5 million, and that today brings the market cap up to, we're just shy of $1 billion now, in $989 million. If we just look at the charts there to see where we're getting pretty much most of the volume, Binance is getting a fair bit. OceanX is their own exchange. I found that out from doing a previous video and somebody told me off. So we're currently trading on 120 different pairs. So if you're looking to get hold of some Vechain, it is quite simple to get hold of. One major point here to look at is the all-time highs, and that was 0.22917 USD. So that's around could call it 2.3 cents. So we're not even a million miles away from that. If you look at the charts, we're pretty much here now, and I do think that we're going to start pushing up again soon. So that's all the key stats. We'll jump over to trading view. We'll do some technical analysis. I'm just going to start with the chart I did last time from when was that, around the end of October, and this is where we were currently trading there at around 1.1635, and I did say that the potential area to invest was at the 618 level here on the Fibonacci, if you can just see that, or within this area down here on the monthly support. I did place some orders in here, and as you can see, buying that sort of is where I picked most of my Vechain up at 0.009356. That was just slightly less than 1 cent. So I mean, I think I've managed to do well there because we've flew ever since. But what I'm going to do is get rid of that box now, and also get rid of the Fibonacci, and just have a look at some current levels that we should be targeting now going forward. I mean, I've already got some key levels marked on. I'm not going to mark any above this level here, because once we start pushing above this level, I think it will be time to do a new video, because then we'll be on to pretty much price discovery, and we can use some Fibonacci extensions to target some prices up there. So first up, what I want to do is just have a look at current prices. So as you can see, we shot right up to, what was that, around 0.18, and then we have had a big retracement. I think we was overdue a retracement. Bitcoin got to around 19k, and then everything dropped from there. I mean, we did quite a steep price raise. If you look at that wick there, all the way down to that wick, we dropped 30, you could call it 35%, and then we did bounce up it. We didn't bounce off any support there. I mean, there may be some daily levels there, but personally I've not got any daily levels marked up yet. I've got a couple higher, but I've not got any lower. I was expecting that we could have potentially dropped down to this level, but the bulls bought it back up, and I do think now we are on some good type of some new cycle, and I think that every dip will be bought up. I do think that we are going to start pushing on from here. Just to put a little bit of a bearish scenario on this, if we do start dropping, then the potential targets to buy in are here. This daily support at 0.13642. If we do actually not continue this run and we do start to drop, then potentially you could have some orders down here, but pretty much 1 cent on the nose. But personally, I can't see us get down there, to be honest. If you look at this entire move, we did a 61% retracement, and now we've shot back up, and that's what usually happens. I've said it in all previous videos, if I'm looking to invest in a project, I wait for a major move, I wait for a 61% retracement, and then invest, and then I think we are ready to go now. I think the markets are looking good. We've been bearish for fucking about 3 years solid, and I do think it's time to push on. So that is a bit of a bearish scenario, just in case we do drop. That could be a potential level, but I think here at 1.3 cent could be a good area to target. But what we need to do to continue this move is pretty much close above these two levels of daily resistance at current price. So close a daily candle above 0.015 cent, and then the next level will be to close above 0.018. Once you start flipping these levels, and this is a major resistance here at 0. It's close to being pretty much 2 cent on the dot. Once we close above that, then I think we're going to start to really gain some traction. Main area here is this. This is the all-time highs up at 2.3 cent. Once we do break above this level, I'm going to do some further price analysis and, like I said, put some different indicators on and try and pretty much mark some new levels that we can aim to target. As I say, there'll be no, I mean, other than resistance levels, if you look at the order books, you need to have a look at where people have placed sell orders. There's no other way in marking any ways to go other than using the Fibonacci and using some of them extensions to target. Let's just have a look at the Hitman. So the Hitman works out when there's a shift in market momentum. If you look currently down here, I've got this set up to the daily. So we turned bullish on the 5th of April. And from the 5th of April, with that bullish icon there, we did actually, I'll take it from that wick, up to highs. We did a 600% price raise from that bullish indicator. And then if you look, we turned bearish on the 26th of August. Again, from that, we'll take that one there all the way to the bottom. We dropped around 50%. And now we have a bullish icon that has appeared on me. What wick was that there? The 13th of November. And in my opinion, we are primed for a good move now. I want us to close the daily level above here and then push on there. And I do think that we will break these over the next course of potentially 2 to 3 months. I do think that we will be pushing up higher in here, leading into 2021. I do think 2021 could be a big year for crypto. If we just drop the EMAs on and see how they're doing. Usually I use the 30 and the 8. If we just look at these, we had a cross down here. If you zoom right in, we had a bullish cross here with the 8 pushing up through the 30, and that is time to go for me. With usually, if you look at the crosses there, I mean, you usually get an indicator with the bears. So as you can see, we had a bearish cross here. So it went actually down through the 30, all the way down, and now we've crossed up through the 30. So I do think that we can start pushing on and aiming for some new all-time highs over the course of the next potentially 2 to 3 months. So that is what I will do. Potentially target down here, or if we actually shit the bed in the market, loses traction, then aim down there. But these are the next targets. Main one is pretty much 2 cent on the nose. Once we start breaking that, I do think that we're going to start aiming towards all-time highs and onto a bit of a price discovery mission. So that is just a quick update on Vechain, where I think we can go, and some potential areas to buy in if the market allows. I mean, we are very bullish. This dip's been massively bought up too. So that will do it for today's video. Just a word of warning. First up, if you do get any emails that look like they're off me, ignore them. I do not ever send any emails to anybody. A few people have messaged me saying, how come you've been emailing me asking about some investment pool, but it's not me, it's fucking spammers, so just ignore it. So like I say, that will do it for today's video. First up, please make sure you do like this video, subscribe to my channel, join the Crypto Troops Telegram group, and I'll catch you next time.